Hey guys, Nolan here at MarineMax Rogers. Got a 2025 Harris 270 Solstice Rec Deck to show you guys. It is the first one we've had here at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota, and we're excited to show you it. All right, this is a 27-foot boat. With that, we've got some extra space in the front here to help with docking, trailering, a little spot to hang out in the front. Up here you've got collapsible cleats. They get out of the way. You're not stubbing your toe on those. As you come along the side, you've got the listing strake all across the bottom. Skirt lighting on the outside here. This one here is murdered out, all black. You've got black rails, you've got black sidewalls, and you've got the matte black stripe. As you move along towards the back, you've got the rec deck tower, beefy tower system, all blacked out as well. Coming around to the back of the boat here, first thing you're going to notice is the slide. Who doesn't want a boat with a slide? Not only does it have the slide, it also has a water pump, keeps the slide lubricated, makes it easy for you and your kids to get down into the water. It's sturdy. I mean, it's attached to this beefy tower rec deck system. As well as back here, you've got audio control. So if you're hanging out in the water, you can change the song, control the volume. The motor on this pontoon is a 250 horse Mercury V8 Verado, digital throttle, power steering. We have a stainless steel prop, gets all of the torque down into the water on this boat. It matches perfectly with the RPM chassis on these Harris pontoons, which includes lifting strakes. It's got a flat transom area in the back to help lift, get good acceleration. As we keep coming around, this boat does have the lily pad ladder. It's a great ladder. It actually has steps instead of pipes to step up on. It's really easy to get in and out of the water. We're going to climb up this ladder now and see what kind of features are on the inside of this boat. As we come on board this boat, you're going to notice tons of seating in this center walkthrough layout. This boat actually has a 17-person capacity and bring the whole family. Inside the rec deck here, not every family member wants to be in the sun all day, so there's some good space in here to get some shade. I'm 6'2". You'll notice plenty of headroom here. Walk underneath this thing without hitting my head. As we come through, some of the things you're going to notice: really good lighting package on this boat, lit up speakers, lit up cup holders, tons of cup holders, courtesy lights on the floor. This boat as well has dual captain's chairs, so you and your co-pilot can sit here side by side if it's just the two of you. This boat has a really great helm station. You have standard gauges, speed, tack, fuel gauge, along with a touchscreen SIMRAD, which will have GPS, engine data, as well as depth finding capabilities. JL audio controller. You've got great JL audio sound system in this boat, subwoofer, lots of speakers, going to have great sound. Digital throttle control here for the Verado Mercury, lit switches. Bow on this boat has huge loungers, great seating, armrests on everything. All the loungers have armrests. Again, tons of cup holders, great lighting up here, storage under all of the seats, in-floor storage in the third tri-tune in the floor there. And we're gonna hop up. I'm gonna show you how this rec deck opens up, and we'll check that out. On the way up the stairs here, you'll notice there's a switch. This is how you control the rec deck railings. We open those up so you'll be able to get a good look at the rec deck once we're up here. Once you're up here, you can throw the back railing on here that locks into place. There's also some locks on the side here to lock the railings in place. Gives you some great space up here for some chairs, cooler, hang out. Gets you a good viewpoint to check out what's going out on the water. We've got stereo control up here as well, some cup holders, a couple more speakers, nav light, and this is where you access your slide. See you on the water.